Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Alright everyone, so today is going to be a Birchbox unboxing. I've got this one and I've got some foreplay, but I'm going to do them in two separate videos to ensure that I've got myself covered for Monday and Wednesday, which today's Sunday, so I'll have a video due tomorrow. And so I'm going to just do two different ones to cover myself, which, by the way, I'm very sorry that my Friday video had to go up on Saturday. But it is what it is. I just didn't have the time to edit it because it took me 2 days to edit that thing. So the pink column, if you didn't catch that video, it'll be up above in the cards. I just could not find the time to edit it and whatnot, so it had to go up on Saturday. So I'm sorry, guys, but oh well, things happen. But I guess technically I could have not done my Thursday live, but I do need the watch time, so I guess it was not the end of the world. So. Of which, by the way, I have been doing lives on Tuesdays and Thursdays because I do need the watch time. So I guess for a little while I'll be doing them on the weekly like that, until I may not do them as much when I get closer to my watch hours, but right now I need them, so I think I'll probably still stick with that. So, and there's Pork Chop right there. Thank you, FARMALL Fanatic, for naming her. Evan's been losing sleep over her name and whatnot. Dear Jesus. In which he's a little bit irritated that I didn't put her in my thumbnail. I forgot all about it, but you can see her right there where he left her in the last live. Which, by the way, if you're not following FARMALL Fanatic, then you definitely should. He's a great supporter, great friend, and he has great content too, especially if you're into farming and whatnot. So even if you're not into it, he still has good content. So, and he's pretty funny. He's a jokester and everything. So I definitely recommend you go and follow him. I will link him in the cards as well. So yeah. Alright guys, so if you're interested in seeing this Birchbox, and just keep on watching, but before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it, and that way you can always be notified of my uploads and lives when I do them on the weekly, which are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so come on back to my channel on those days for new content, and without further ado, let's see what Birchbox sent me. Alright my loves, here is the box. It's pretty. Kind of has a fall vibe, like a sunset vibe. I don't know, it's cute. Alright, let's see. Mom already got hers, but I didn't even really get to look at it because we were busy at work. So, alright, snapshots from summer. Alright. Looks like Oscar de la Renta. Bella Blanc. It's a perfume basically, so I can't say that name, but let me spritz it. I'm not huge on getting perfumes in my Birchboxes because your perfume's such a personal thing, you know? I don't know how I feel about that. It smells, I don't know about that. Maybe I'll have to smell that in a little bit, because right now that smells kind of weird. Okay. Alright, the next thing I see is this wave spray ondulation. I don't really use stuff in my hair like this. Of course, I guess I might if I guess I could try if I curled it and whatnot, but let's see. Smells kind of good. It kind of has a hint of coconut, but not really. I don't know if that makes any sense, but here it is. Have y'all ever tried this? And if you have, let me know. Like I said, I don't typically do stuff like that with my hair, but I have a curling iron, so maybe I might. Who knows? Oh, and have y'all ever tried this perfume? I know you probably can't read that, but it says Oscar de la Renta. In fact, I might just try to find pictures of all this stuff and put it on there. Of course, you can see this. This is not too hard to see. Alright, the next thing I see is this Malin and Goats Grapefruit Face Cleanser. I know my mom got this. This might have been also something my mom got because she got her perfume sample too. This says, our foaming cleansing gel synthesizes natural grapefruit extract with amino acid-based cleansing agents. Unlike traditionally harsh detergents that can be drying, stripping, and irritating, this formula gently and thoroughly purifies and hydrates to pH balance all skin types, especially sensitive. And of course, it says lather a dime-sized amount in hands and gently massage onto wet skin that rinse clean with water. Alright, so have y'all ever tried this? I've only ever tried their lip balm. Alright, the next thing I see is this Birchbox Advanced Fango Active Mud for Face and Body. Have y'all ever tried this? Did I even say that name right? Huh, let me know. It says, Advanced Fango Active Mud for Face and Body. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, face, neck, and or body. Avoid lip and eye area. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly using a warm, wet sponge or washcloth. Use 1 or 2 times a week or as needed. That's needed. So I guess this is a very potent one because, let's see. No, it's sealed up. I'm not going to open that right now. I don't want to make a mess, but okay, yeah, this seems cool. Y'all know I love mud masks. I love masks in general. I know that DENI, Gone's Girl DENI, by the way, if you're not supporting her, you definitely should. She is, like, so sweet, has great content, and I'm super behind on her channel, but she's, like, an amazing person. If you're not following her, you definitely should. She'll also be above in the in the cards, not the comments. Well, in the comments, but yeah, it's easier to find her in the cards. Alright. Have y'all ever tried this? If you have, let me know. But back to what I was saying. She does this, she's like the queen of masks and whatnot, I feel like. But, of course, that's what everybody calls her, basically. And, I think that she, does a mask subscription. I think it's called Face Story. I looked it up, and I think I'm going to sign up for it when I can, but, yeah, because I love face masks. They're so essential. They're so good for your skin. So, yeah, I got this. If you tried this, let me know. And what is this little number? It says Winky Lux Disco Kitten Gloss Far Out. So did anybody get this? And if you did, let me know. It's very cool. Let's swatch it. Well, it's very glittery. I don't know if you can even see that. I do need to invest in some lighting so y'all can see. It's very sheer but very glittery. I think my niece might be gonna get this. This is up my alley, up my niece's alley, for sure. Maybe not the color, but she will enjoy this because this is so unicorn-like. She will love this. Alright, now let's read the little pamphlet. It says, Malin and Goats Grapefruit Face Cleanser, full size is $36. The amino acid based cleanser is made with naturally antibacterial grapefruit to prevent blemishes, while hydrating glycerin and sodium PCA soften the skin. Well, it sounds cool. Of course, that seems like an expensive cleanser. Birchbox Advanced Fango Active Mud Mask, full size is $48. Clarify your complexion with this treatment made of sweet almond and avocado oils, bentonite clay, and plant extracts. Leave a generous layer on for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse. So this is not a mask that you leave on for 10, 15, 20 minutes. You take it off before even 5 minutes gets there. So it must be a potent mask. Now I'm starting to see a little bit of color. It's like a pinky color. My niece is going to love that. I know y'all probably can't see this very well, but... Alright, and the Oscar de la Renta Bella Blanca perfume retails between $75 and $95. Spritz on this soft floral fragrance made with freesia, jasmine sandbank, and creamy sandalwood for a feminine and timeless touch. Let's see. I don't know that I like it. It literally smells citrusy and musky all at the same time. I don't know that I like it. I don't know. And the wave spray retails for $26. Get effortlessly, I keep looking at this because it like changed colors. Before you couldn't even see it, but now that it's drying up, you can see the pinkish purple. My niece is going to love that. Get effortlessly tousled waves with this weightless texturizing mist that's formulated sand salt. Spritz onto damp or dry strands. So you don't necessarily have to curl your hair. You could just spray it onto damp hair. That's cool. Okay. And then Winky Lux Disco Kitten Gloss Far Out retails for $14. Swap on the shade shifting, no wonder. Swap on the shade shifting gloss. It's packed with smooth glitter particles that transform into a prismatic, perfect for you pink. I guess cute. Of course, the glitter is still a bit much for me, but I mean, super cute. See how it kind of, I don't know if y'all can see it, but definitely glistens. So, I guess that was the end of this unboxing. What did you get in your Birchbox? Of course, I know not everybody gets Birchbox or IPSY, so what subscription boxes do you get, and what did you get in them? I'd love to know. It's always interesting to know what everybody gets in their subscription boxes. Alright, y'all, so if you enjoyed this video, I hope you did. Please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and support, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Which, by the way, as of late, since I do need the watch time, I'm going to be doing lives on the weekly, usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so that's when you can look out for new content from me. So come on back to my channel on those days for new stuff and chat with me, and I guess I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, because I know you don't have to, and it warms my heart that you would come back to my channel on the weekly to watch me. Thank you so much, guys. I love you tons. Bye. I'm acting like I've never filmed before. Like, this second attempt. I can just get messing up on the last one. Whatever. Alright, the next thing I see, after I throw it down, in Borghese, I hope I'm saying that right, Advanced Fango Active Mud Mask retails for $48. Clarify your complexion with this treatment made of sweet almond and avocado oils. Bentonite clay and plant extracts. Okay, let me read that again. Alright, y'all, so I guess that is the end of this box. If you do Alright, so I guess that is the end of this unboxing. So, I hope you enjoyed it. What did you get in your boxes this month? I'm dying to know. I know that not everybody gets BoxyCharm. If you hear strange noises, it's just my husband messing with me. No worries. You were distracting me.
What?
You're distracting me.
That's the point.
You're a butt.
No, I'm not. I'm an Evan.
Same thing.
Look, those two things are not conclusive to each other.
But they are, though. Anyways. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and I just got that stuff all over me.